Unsa ning ignorance is bliss?
Ignorance is bliss.
Ignorance is bliss.
Ignorance is bliss.
The phrase ignorance is bliss means not knowing about something can make a person happier or less worried. Sometimes, if you don't know the details of a problem or danger, you won't feel anxious or stressed about it. It suggests that knowledge can bring worry, while ignorance can bring peace of mind. Makalipay ang way kahibalo, mas maayo pa nga wala ka kahibalo kaysa magproblema ka. For example, sometimes not knowing about what people say behind you is better. Ignorance is bliss. Usahay, mas maayo pa nga wala ka kahibaloon sa istoryahon sa mga tao bahin nimo. Makalipay ang way kahibalo. Ikaw, how do you use ignorance is bliss in a sentence? Try to comment that and follow for more.